You can let it be one of his toys.
What are you doing?
It's a little bigger.
You want to let that be one of his?
Yeah.
You don't have to.
What'd you say, Miles? It's going to be when he grows up? Tell again, because the camera
I
didn't get
think he's gonna be a man that makes colorful necklaces and sells them.
And why do you think that?
Because he likes to see colorful things swing around.
Okay. You gonna talk to? You gonna talk to? I bet it was Mom again. You gonna talk to Miles some more, Brody? There's Aunt Becca. Look how pretty she looks.
Don't let him roll.
Oh.
Are those for all of us here?
All right.
Give me a look. These ones are all for me. Hey, why don't I get another one?
Hello.
Well, now he got
Hello. Goo.
Wait, count this one.
Goo, my baby. Hi, Goo. Goo. Hi, Mom. Hello. Hi. Hi, my sweetheart. Goo. A big stretch.
Go kiss Miles and kiss on the sheep's face like you did last time.
Oh.
I want the green one. I don't want it.
What are you doing? Are we in Newark or Belmar, New Jersey at Aunt Rebecca's house? Yeah. Miles' first time to the beach. And Ava's first time too. Ava and Gammy are at the grocery store.
So remember, just, rock with it, just your natural rhythm, just let it flow free. Yeah, okay.
That's what I always heard.
Okay, guys, kiss for Miles again, please. Oh,
I like these necklaces.
thank you. Oh, thank you so much, sweet cousins. All right, that was very sweet. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, camera.
We'll see you
Bye-bye,
later.
camera.